In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Windows 11 taskbar with StartAllBack. Open your web browser, then go to the StartAllBack website. If you need the exact page, feel free to pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Once the site loads, stay on the main page and look for the download button. Click Download to get the installer. When the download finishes, open the downloaded file. This launches the StartAllBack installer. In the installer window, click Install for current user. The installation happens almost instantly, and when it finishes, the StartAllBack configuration window opens automatically, so you can begin customizing the taskbar right away. At the top of the configuration window, you'll see 3 theme options. These are Proper Windows 11, Kinda Windows 10, and Remastered Windows 7. Click Proper Windows 11. This keeps the modern Windows 11 look, including the rounded design, while unlocking the customization settings you need. As soon as you click it, the theme applies immediately, and you may notice the Start menu and Taskbar update in the background. Now move to the left sidebar and click Taskbar. This section controls where the taskbar sits, how the icons look, and how open apps are displayed. In the main panel, find the setting labeled Taskbar Location on screen. Click the drop-down menu here. Select Top if you want the taskbar at the top of the screen. You can also choose left or right if that's the position you prefer. As soon as you select one of those options, the taskbar immediately moves to that edge of the screen. Stay in the Taskbar tab and look near the top for the Choose Start Button section. This area lets you change the Start button icon. Browse through the available button styles. You'll see options that match the Windows 11 logo, a Windows 10 style, and the classic Windows 7 orb. Click the one you want to use. The Start button updates instantly in the taskbar, so the change is visible right away. Next, find the icon size setting. Depending on how it appears in your window, you may have a drop-down or a slider. Use that control to make the taskbar icon smaller or larger. Right below that, find Icon Margins. This controls the spacing between icons. Adjust it to change how tightly the icons sit together. Lower values create a more compact taskbar, so as you move or change this setting, the taskbar becomes denser and takes up less visual space between each icon. After that, scroll down in the same taskbar section until you reach the area for behavior and superpowers. In this part, find the setting called Combine Taskbar Buttons. Click its drop-down menu and select Never. The change applies immediately. Each open window now appears as its own labeled button in the taskbar, instead of being grouped together under a single app icon. This gives you the more separated labeled taskbar style. Keep working in the Taskbar tab and look for the option labeled Dynamic Transparency or Segmented Taskbar. Find the Segmented Taskbar checkbox and click it so it becomes checked. When you enable this option, only the area directly behind your taskbar icons becomes opaque, while the rest of the taskbar stays transparent. This changes the visual style of the taskbar right away, giving it a more customized appearance while keeping the icons easier to distinguish. At this point, your Windows 11 taskbar has been customized with StartAllBack. It has been moved to the edge of the screen you selected, updated with the Start button style you chose, adjusted to your preferred icon size and spacing, changed so open windows are not combined, and restyled with the segmented appearance. All of these changes happen live as you make them, and they remain in place across restarts. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can now leave the StartAllBack configuration window, since the customization is already applied and saved automatically.